Hi everyone, we're going to make some snowflakes this week out of coffee filters and markers and a Sharpie, or you can use plain white paper and scissors and a glue stick to make a super snowflake. You want to choose one project each week while we're on virtual instruction before the winter break. So here's some supplies that you're going to need for some upcoming projects. We're going to make some little hats that we will need paper towel or toilet paper roll tubes, and we'll need some yarn or string, something colorful and fun. And we'll need some liquid glue. And this is a great time to get out any sparkly stuff that you might have that might make things interesting, like metallic markers or gems or glitter. Something like that would be fun. And then after that, we're going to make some Q-tip snowflakes. I've got Q-tips and some blue construction paper that I've got showing there. And then we will also make salt dough with just plain flour and plain salt. And it's a great time to get out the cookie cutters, and you can make any shapes that you like. And we will need either some more of that yarn that you're going to use for the hats, or we will need some twine so that we can hang up your creations and put them on display. So let me know if you have any questions about your assignments, and then we will get started. Really quickly, before I show you the projects, I want you to look through all of them first before you decide, and you just need to turn in one. Take a photograph of it and turn it into assignments in Microsoft Teams. And if it won't upload in assignments, go ahead and turn it into chat or send it to me as an email attachment. And along with your project, whichever one you choose, you want to answer a couple of questions for me. It is required. Let me know why you chose the project that you did. So you only have to choose one. Why did you pick yours? Now, if you decide to do the coffee filter snowflake, describe what colors you decided to use in your artwork and why. And then if you decide to do the super snowflake, explain why you chose the one that you chose, because there are two different types. So all you have to do is explain what you did. So these are our first projects we're going to do today. These are coffee filter snowflakes, and these are just marker and then they're blended with water. So I'll show you how to be cutting those out, and you can either leave them folded and do a tie-dye effect or a rainbow effect like this, like the one on the right, or you can just add color where you like it, like the one on the left. So those are our first ones. And then while those are drying, we're going to do these, which are the same thing. They're on coffee filters, but we are going to draw these. You'll draw the on the folds for the snowflake with a Sharpie so that it won't run. And then you'll use the regular markers, which will run and blend in like watercolors. If you don't have a Sharpie, do this in pencil and then draw it again when the coffee filter is dry. And then after that, we will do these super snowflakes, and we'll make one version here where you can hang it on the wall. And then there will be another one, this one here, where you will be able to hang it because you will be able to see the same design on both sides. If you don't want to do the coffee filter snowflakes, you can just zoom on ahead on the playlist in YouTube to find this project. So just look at the video list and then go ahead and jump on ahead to the super snowflake.